uh, aka Zeros from Bit and Bit, and this is my first video. This isn't actually about the channel, this is about game I'm working on called Code Doom, and it's gonna be like a devlog series, I guess. I'll probably eventually make a video about the channel, about the point of the channel and stuff, but this is the game. So far, and I'll show it to you. I'll show what I have, and while explaining what I want to do. As you can see, this looks quite, like large, but... So, we have walking, we have sound effects, we have jumping, and we have sprinting. So, if I run, through the forest with the trees and stuff, and I get to the edge of what I've built, there's nothing. Just these towels with nothing, fast, nothing really. That's what I have so far. This part of empty nothingness, which I can go in and show to you now, which is right here. It's gonna be waddle. I just removed it yesterday. You can fall down or whatever. It looks ugly. So that's our main tutorial area. Well, you'll meet Dad, which is an NPC. Who'll tell you what to do. They count the controls and stuff like that. And as you can see, if I scroll out, this is the whole map, which is really large just compared to this, which is the part I've done. This is this whole square right here is the tutorial area. Okay, and then there's gonna be 4 paths. This I'm not sure which one's gonna be which, but I know there's gonna be desert. There's gonna be Arctic, desert, futuristic city, and jungle. And those are all the areas, and basically you have to go to each one where there's a temple. Okay, and at the temple, you defeat the boss, get a stone, and put all the stones back in the center, and you get a sword and materials, and then you gotta craft a spaceship to go to 2 different planets, collect things to build a portal to another dimension, and fight the final boss, which is pretty confusing, but I can break it down for you right here, which is all of the updates. So menu, I don't have that yet. That's really all I have. By the way, this is a 3D open world game, if you couldn't tell. Menu, movement, starting area, item management, AI, basic tools, health, pause, and temples. See how many, well, I'll show you how many I've fully planned out. So, menu I haven't done at all, but I've planned this whole thing out, the 14 things just for the menu. And also, input field, which is, the game, since it's Code Doom, you input the word Doom. Volume slider, because in my past games on itch.io, link in the description by the way, my volume has been too loud in the pause menu for saving and leaving, pausing, stuff like that. And then after that we have player, which we have movement and jump. So we don't have hot ball, in hand, off hand, inventory, any of this stuff. This is really our next step. We don't have to worry about the menu yet. I'm not exactly sure what I want it to look like. I was thinking an old-fashioned computer, and it zooms in, and it's bright green or whatever, but I don't know how to make it zoom in and make animations and stuff. So we can work on that later. And then, so player is most important, and I order these by order I'm gonna do them. So first moving, jumping, then a hop ball, right, and then offhand, in hand, whatever. And then you gotta have an inventory for your hot ball for a bit more, which is gonna be a backpack. Crafting system, because what are you gonna do with those? Hunger and thirst, kind of one thing, I guess. Hearts and health, kind of one thing as well. Animation, which kind of goes back to menu, and really everything in this game needs animation. Accounts is an extra idea, just like for a name and maybe a level of like how good you are, based on 25 achievements, which is in the corner. Stats, which is what I just mentioned. Skins, which is like how your person looks, and you can't see in first person, so third person switch and animation. I wrote that twice. Huh. Okay, next is bottoms and areas. Boss area, this is the final boss after you go through the portal. Take an island silver plate ruins in the middle of space. 2 is temples, which is a separate world. It's not gonna be in here. The building is gonna be here, right? But like the thing inside, because then the boss could leave it, and that would not be good. Like you haven't gotten it yet, and you have to fight the hardest boss in the game. Planets 1 and 2 and 3, because the first planet is obviously the starting planet, which I just showed. I'm not sure exactly what to put on them. Arctic Research, Desert Research Facility, and then the futuristic city is gonna have like a shopping district. I'm imagining something like Tokyo, and I'm imagining like the temples as literally like Chinese ancient temples. Futuristic city, shopping district, and then half of the jungle is gonna be town, but the other half is gonna be like harder to like get to, I guess. And then the city is gonna be 80% the future, so mostly future, because like those like I guess there's like not parks and stuff, and then an animal just in case. So that's menu, that's movement, starting area. Now item management, we kind of went through in player. AI, now this is like traders, the people in the cities, the dad, kitty who, teach you the game, the bosses, animals, and monsters. Okay, after AI, we have basic tools. Okay, crafting max, axe, pickaxe, sword, hoe, spear, and it goes on and on. That is not done yet. And, let's keep going. Health is part of player. Pause is part of quick, and temples is not on this, but I guess that's not 2 in biomes/areas. So I really haven't finished any of these. The starting area is going to change a lot after I figure this out. So, my itch page, if you want to play my games that I've done before, is going to be in the description if you want to check that out. So yeah, and the one thing I would like to show you, you like my little kitty? I think you do. So these are all the designs here. We have like a map here. We have like what I want the temples to look like. Another map which is better. This one has different areas. I'm keeping this island. This is now a desert, and water will be like just scattered around in here mostly. And this is futuristic. And then I was just drawing the bosses. Yeah. So that is all in my game, and I hope to see you in the next video. And yeah.